Hi, I'm Laura Winger from GKN Aerospace. I'm the planning manager here. I thought it was really helpful to have the application of both the theory and the game, because that allowed me to understand better how the theory actually worked, and you could actually see it live. And what was great was we actually had an accident. Somebody put in the wrong parameter, and we got to see and learn how that actually impacts the DDMRP calculations. So I think the workshops were really helpful because it gave us a lot more opportunity to understand the theory. Reading about the theory is one thing, and then we got to actually ask the questions and understand the application that it's going to have within our company. I think DDMRP is going to be really, really useful for us because right now we have a lot of chaos and a lot of firefighting, and we really don't have control of our inventory. So going forward, we're going to understand our inventory, we're going to understand where things are stuck and how to fix that so that we can actually provide the customer what they want.